into ministry skills. Listen mo kayo, gifts will only be gifts if you don't use it for God's glory. Gifts will just be gifts if you don't turn these gifts into ministry gifts, ministry skills. No? Importante kayo na ma-recognize nato kining mga butanga, no? So God gives us gifts according to His will. Tungod kay naa siya desire sa imuha, naa siya will sa imuhang kinabuhi. Sometimes, lagi, we are trying to discover His will sa kinabuhi, pero katong time na na-discover mo ito, ako yung will ni God sa kuha. Yan. Kung nakakubaan ka, ako yung will ni God sa kuha, yan, hindi na pagabuhaton. Dagan sa tuwa, we don't recognize God as the source. And because we have not recognized God as the source of these gifts, that this is all by God's grace, hindi tamang paggamit sa wala yun sa 1 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 4. This is our supporting verse. Now there are diversities of gifts, but the same Spirit. Nagkalain-laking